Hi everyone, just would like to give a little bit information about how to survive a really hard renovation. When we bought the second house, I was expecting the previous owners to empty the house, but that wasn't the case. They left so much stuff for us, all of these old furnitures and some of the magazines high up to the ceiling. Basically, they were hoarders. So I went through really hard renovation, and these are my top tips for how to survive. Number one, the biggest hint is you have to accept that there will be stress. There will be so many stress around you for a very long time. There will be some budget issues, there will be some time issues, some problems with the tradies, and these are all normal. There will be unseen cost. I don't know, it's like a relationship test in my opinion, and you really have to accept all of those stress around you for a very long time. You will be giving up on your life, so make sure it takes short time. And the key to keep it short is planning beforehand, before you start. Hard renovation is not for everyone. You have to know yourself, your partner, and your family. Can you survive this renovation? It's going to take a long time. So just know, can you, for example, live with mess for a very long time? If you're renovating section by section, bit by bit, can you survive living in the dust? My son, for example, has so many allergies, and every time tradies left, I had to just get my duster and clean non-stop until it's midnight. And this is really stressful. You have to make sure that you can survive this. Your relationship, your kids can survive this. So many days I had to give kids Vegemite sandwiches, and that's totally fine. It's just for a while. Just hold on, you will get there. Be careful with cost. You can usually find a cheaper version of everything, especially during the renovation. For example, cleaning up hoarder's house was not a joke. It was so costly, so there will be some unseen costs, and try to find some unusual ways to keep this cost to minimal. For example, we had a granny flat in the backyard, and we got quotations from so many builders to knock it down. Unfortunately, it was so costly. The minimum we got was $7,000, and we decided to sell it from eBay. We put it for $1 on eBay, and another builder who would like to extend his house came with his 7-8 mates and just basically knocked down the whole thing and got all of those beautiful beams and pieces that he needs. Try to be realistic. The information is out there. Just search for that information you need and really carefully consider all of those, because you cannot plan later on. You cannot fix the budget later on. You cannot really, clean up later on. You have to learn living with mess. You have to learn budgeting. You have to learn renovations before you start. Otherwise, it's going to take forever. Surround yourself with really good people. That includes your kids, your partner, your friends. You need all the support you need, and really, don't divorce at the end of a renovation. There are some other ways to make money, and it's not the end of the world if you wait a couple of years and do it in a different way with builders. So know people around you. Can they survive? Can you survive this renovation? And then go for it.